this beautiful shrub. We call it like autumn. It has the autumn colors. They have these flowers and they're like delicate pink. These are dried up ones. They can get up to 10 feet tall, but this other one's not doing so well. It had a fungus on it, which you can still see here on this leaf. But I'm hopeful because there is some new growth right here, and that's green. It's finally getting the water it needs, and hopefully with some help it's going to survive. I like it. It changes like 3 different colors, so it's a good one to have.